My name is Brandon, and this is my project Halloween Nightmare. So it's basically the concept is the scarecrow and the zombie, these two sprites, are trying to glide over to this barn logo. The barn logo does nothing, it just stays here. The scarecrows and the zombies are trying to glide over to the barn and change the barn health by 1. If the barn health goes to 0, then the game is over. And also, if Sprite 1 touches any of the any of the monsters, then its health drains by 1. And if its health is 0, then it switches backdrop to game over and it's done. Here's some of my code right here. So when at first I switched the backdrop to the farm, like right here. And then I have set deleted monsters, which is the variable that has like how many monsters you like take down like using this. Also so here's this more code WASD. And then we have if health equals 0 or barn health is less than 0, and switch backdrop to game over and stop all. Now, when I receive message 1, this comes from like these two, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, right here. So if distance to sprite is less than 150, broadcast message 1. And when I have this, if distance to sprite 1 is less than 150, that basically means this. So like when I press a green flag, I don't want it to be like here and then just like get rid of the monster like all the way up here. I want it to be close in because that makes like more sense. See, the barn health was less than 0. A lot of zombies were there. So I can just get rid of them. And if you look at my character, it's switching to costumes. My costumes are right here. So here's costume 1, and then here's costume 2. Basically, when I hit it, it goes like pokes it, and then switches back here. When I touch a zombie, barn logo does nothing. And now we have the high score. Like this one, I just put a random sprite here. So when it's game over, they check to see if your deleted monsters right here is greater than the last high score that I was playing on this game. If it's greater than the high score, then it switches the high score to the newest high score, if that makes sense. So let's just say the high score right now is 31. Try to beat it. Like that. And then if we just get killed by the zombies like this, I'm pretty sure it will change. Yeah, it will change the high score to 35 instead of 31. So that's basically my project, and I hope you enjoy it.